Well, it's official. We have brought home our Model 3 all-wheel drive premium. We are super excited about this car. Man, it's such a cool car. Me and my girlfriend, we love it. It's so fast, and it has really good ride quality. It's brand new 2026 Model 3 Quicksilver. Today is also discount tire day. We're putting on our Aftermarket Wheels, taking these off and putting on some Koenigs. So that'll be fun to see. So yeah, we'll video that as they're putting them on and see the difference between these wheels and the Koenigs. I'm keeping the tires because I don't feel like getting any other tire. But yeah, we're just replacing these wheels with aftermarket wheels. So it's a fun day we got planned ahead. So yeah, there's my truck wheels. I still haven't gotten those out. I gotta find a buyer for those. So if y'all want, y'all could comment down below. The fuel wheels, these are 20 by 9s, I think. But yeah, they're all good. I've got BFGs on them. I've only got a couple thousand miles on them, so they're still good tires too. They still have tread and everything. So I don't know if anybody wants them. I guess you can comment down below and send me an offer. But yeah, fun day planned ahead. So I will see you when the discount tire guy shows up with my new wheels for my Model 3. Peace. Well, here's Cameron pulling up. Discount tire.
How are you, sir?
Good.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Guessing this is the Tesla we're working on today?
Yes.
Just real quickly, would you mind pulling up the mileage for me before we
Yeah.
Would you want to take a quick tour of the van,
Yeah,
kind of
sure.
show you around? You also have a truck?
I did, yeah.
Okay.
I traded it in for that.
Nice. Pretty cool little thing here. So with this changer, it's a little bit different than the ones that we have at our shops. This one, basically, with the clamps here, it almost guarantees that I should not be able to scratch the wheels with the clamp on the inside of the barrel. And then, yeah, there's not much anything majorly different besides just the changer here. I got the same balance I do at my shops. And of course, if anything happens with the TPMS, I've got tools here to get everything changed out and swapped out for you. And then, yeah, I use basically the same tools other than that. It's just really majorly the changer here. And then, if you ever do need any other kind of services other than just the wheels and tires and all that, I do flat repairs, rotations, all of that. I have a little bit or a little QR code on the back of the van here. I don't know if you want to take a picture of that, just in case you ever do need any kind of services or anything like that.
Yeah, sure. I used to be a Ford Auto Tech,
Okay, nice.
so I know what kind of.
Yeah, there's that QR code there.
I used to work there for 5 years
Okay, nice.
as a technician.
How'd you like it out there?
It was okay.
Interesting.
It started to get hard, so I had to change my job, do something else.
What do you do now?
I work in construction now. Yeah, working for my dad.
Yeah, I got all 4 of the wheels here. I guess you've already seen the wheels online.
Yeah, I'd like to see them. Oh wow.
Even better in person.
Yeah, wow. Those look really good.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that's cool. Yeah, those look really good.
They definitely do. I bet it'll look even better once they get on the car there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. They look really good.
Awesome.
Yeah. Shouldn't take me too long to get everything swapped over. Did you want to keep the old wheels and all that?
I would, yes.
Okay, that's not a
I
problem.
could.
It should be a problem. Yeah, I'll just pop the tires off, pop the sensors out, swap them over. Usually doesn't take me too terribly long to do all that. And my balancer should be able to read these wheels just fine.
Okay.
Alrighty.
You'll balance them?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Without
Okay.
doubt, yeah. If you have any other questions, swing on out here. I'll be out here. Once I get finished up, I'll either knock on the door or give you a quick call, let you know I'm all finished up. Alrighty?
Okay.
Yeah. Give me just a little bit of time. Shouldn't take me too terribly long.
If I could I watch?
Yeah. No problem.
I like to video it all.
No problem.
just for fun.
I got you.
shiny sparkles. Sweet.
There we are.
Wow. Awesome. Thank you for your assistance.
Yes, sir. Was there any other questions or concerns for today?
No, I think that'll be all.
Alrighty, I got them all set to 42 there. I mean, if you, like I said, just feel free to call up there.
Okay.
I'll be happy to come back out here and help you out.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Sure thing.
You have a great rest of your day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Well, guys, he is officially done. And man, does it make a difference. Wow. They look so good. I mean, wow. That just, I mean, makes it pop so much more. It looks so good. I don't know. Comment down below what y'all think. I think it looks really, really good with the. It matches the black handles and everything, and man, that looks really, really good. He did a really good job, and it didn't take him about 2 hours. It only took him about 45 minutes, an hour, which is pretty good, but man, it looks so good. But yeah.